Hi guys, we're going to do insertion sort list, Leetcode, problem 147. So we're going to use this neat little trick called a pseudo node, which basically allows us to reference the list after it's been sorted, because it's a linked list, and basically we iterate till the last node. So now we can still have the list after it's been sorted, by just using this thing called a pseudo node. So here you can see some sorting. Have a little animation here that's going in there. Just going to go in there. Pretty basic insertion sort. Let's see if we can find a more concrete example. So yeah, we have on this side, on the left side, we have the sorted numbers, and then on the right side we have the input, which is unsorted. As you can see, the 3 is going into the correct position there. The 1 goes into the correct position in the sorted. So the node which goes to the front, and it just gives one like that. So we just pick a value from next value from the input and put it into the its place in the sorted list we've created. So algorithm of insertion sort. Insertion sort iterates, consuming one input element each repetition and growing a sorted output list. As each iteration sort removes one element from the input data and finds the location it belongs to within the sorted list and inserts it there. It repeats it until no input elements remain. Pretty simple. So that's basically how it works. And yeah, so we're just basically going to use that to sort the list. So let's get started then. So first we're going to create that pseudo node that we were talking about. Let's do that real quick. Then we're just going to run through the lists, the input list that we've been given. And now this is the part where we alias the pseudo node to the sorted list, so that we can return after insertion sort has been done on it. So let's do that real quick. It's going to be sorted and So now this is the part where we have our current value, and we're going to look through the sorted list to find the position that we can place it. So we can try and place it in the correct position in the sorted list. So, So now we've found that position, we're going to place it. We're going to place it into that position. Because it's a linked list, we'll need to cache the next node so that we can keep moving to the through the linked list. So let's do that. This places the current node in between a sorted node and the next node after the sorted node. So the current node, so it goes sorted, then current node, then sorted next. So by doing that, we're basically placing it in the correct position. The first time it goes around, because we have our pseudo node here, is actually going to be placed at the start. The current node placed at the start as the first input, because it just goes to the next value. Yeah, pretty nice and simple. So yeah, let's do that now. Now we can just move on to the next current node, as we've just cached the next current node. So let's do that. So current node, and let's move to the next. Pretty sweet. List. Now we can, that reference that we had to the sorted list through the pseudo node, that little trick that we used, we can now comes into handy. So we'll just simply return that. So return next, and that's it really. Yeah, superb. So let's give it a test. Yep. Wow, pretty sweet. Let's try different test case. Sweet. So now submit it. Great. Well, thanks for watching. If you guys have any questions about this problem, please post it in the comments. Or if you have a problem that you really want to see a video on, also post it in the comments. And yeah, that's it.